have a complete sliders to
Yeah.
change the mood
Okay.
that within, or the context within which what you're saying is going to.
So-
And then I use that with that to get that.
Okay.
So
That looks very funky. Okay, this is real-time voice to image. A beautiful garden. A beautiful garden with a terrible dragon. It's very rainy right now. The dragon is angry. It has lost one of its most precious possessions. A small egg. Where is it? Where is the egg? It's hidden. The dragon is looking around for the egg, unable to find it. Finally, there's an idea. It was in the cupboard all along. The dragon is very, very happy. Excellent. Very neat. What do you chain here? Like, what's the model behind this?
So it's based on, it's using Stable Diffusion 2.1, but we had to redo the pipeline because we wanted to be able to composite over and over on a evolving panorama.
Yeah.
So there's a long technical description I give you of how we do that. So it's a specialized model that way.
Yeah.
We're doing voice recognition on the laptop, sending it there.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of ways to tune and shape the experience. Like I have, let's see, what can I do here? Let's, we can just amp up the Picasso. Let's see if it will do it. Oh, I haven't.
That's
adjusted
clean.
this. It's clipped. I haven't. It's because what it says here. Now it'll be Picasso. It should be.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's clipped there before. I think it's because I haven't. This isn't synced anyway. So
You put up stuff up and down, and it will adjust.
We have a complete sliders to
Yeah.
change the mood
Okay.
that within, or the context within which what you're saying is going to
So
affect
the background, are you modulating the prompt there, or are you modulating some sort of...
It's adding to the prompt.
Okay.
So it's adding, very finely weighted prompt additions. Yeah.
Very cool.
Does it work with different languages?
No, it does not, which is a problem. I have a lot of international students that I teach, and that's one of the first questions I get asked. So you could do voice recognition in a different language. You'd still be stuck with the fact that the model was trained on English captions and images. So you'd still have to do a translation somewhere. Of course, we can do a translation, but it's still, it's not the same as some sort of many language caption relationship. So it's unfortunately restricted to English right now. Colonialism sneaks in so many places with these technologies. We have to be on our lookout all the time for that.
Is it okay if I record a bit? I'm doing some reporting.
is it for a pornographic movie?
Except everyone has clothes on and just talks about science. But it is...
Super amazing part. Yeah, go on.
What's the story behind the comics?
I'm an artist, so
Yeah.
it's kind of what I already did before. So these are just recordings of my days.
Okay.
Some stuff I do in my life.
Yeah.
It goes on for years and years and years.
Okay.
All the absurd or small things that
Yeah.
just pop up.
And then you make
And
comics
then
out of them.
I would make a normal comic out of
Yeah.
that. But now I'm also making these AI things out of them.
Okay.
So kind of giving it to the tool. The tool is on the poster there.
What do you use for a tool?
So it's a version of Stable Diffusion.
Yeah.
These guys down there have made.
Okay.
If you go there, plenty of different tools, as you can see.
Like, why does it speak to you
Because
to use a tool like this? What does it allow you to do? Yeah.
It makes me giggle.
Okay.
But not always.
But do you find it to be a source of creativity? Do you find it to be a source
No,
of
it's more like,
expression,
do you know what? It
ability?
exists. We might as well use it in positive, funny ways
Okay.
before we use it in a way that makes us cry.
Yeah.
So it's inventing new ways to work with technology we don't quite really get, but
Yeah.
it makes something really interesting and funky, and you're just like, why not? It's there. Try it.
Do you have an example where you can really say, look, this is something I would not have done before without the tool? Like, do you have a particular example that you like?
This, for example. So these little guys, mushrooms into pancakes, were made from this. So that's an original drawing.
What's for dinner? Potato mushrooms?
You know how to make potato mushrooms, by the way?
No.
Okay, so you get a potato.
Yeah.
You get a machine that makes spirals. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
At the end, from the potato, you will have a mushroom. You have to try it to see it.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I can nonetheless try to find an example for you.
The perfect potato mushroom maker. Okay.
From there, obviously I would have just left it there.
Yeah.
Or maybe I would have made a comic, but not the same thing.
Yeah.
What I'm talking about is this.
Oh, okay.
These are made from different veggies.
Yeah. I see.
And I planted them in the forest, but it's funny. And that's the machine. That's the
Okay,
machine
yeah.
I have left. So
Neat.
yeah, of course I would have done something, but
Yeah,
I would
yeah.
never in the million years have made that.
Okay,
And
so
this could also be seen like as animation, so yeah, you can look at that like you wouldn't make that, you know, unless you're brain damaged. But
So this it takes the image and you add a prompt. You add a bit of text of how you want to change it.
yourself, or you ask the tool for image and text.
Yeah,
because
okay.
there are different options.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the options is you can ask it what you think that is, and it
Yeah.
told me animals on the beach.
Okay.
Which
Almost,
is
yeah.
absurd enough for me to be interested in.
Yeah.
And then I used that with that to get that.
Okay.
So
That looks very funky, I have to say.
well, my cat's been shrimpified, and the house is a mouse. And there are actual surfers on the beach.
That could become like a Dr. Seuss book.
How
My
funny,
cat's been
come on, like,
shrimpified and
your
the
question,
house is a mouse.
because of this is hilarious. That's why I use it.
Good. Very exciting.
And now I'm kind of doing a project called Being Moose, where I am moose and I'm using this to transform myself.
And you are...
I am already there.
Okay,
yeah, so
yeah.
don't worry about it.
Very good.
I'm doing pretty okay on that.
And these are still
actual
drawings.
yeah.
And okay, very nice. Very cool.
So, yeah, you could also take a picture of that if you're ever interested.
You
This
are
is my last
you are
post
Jana.
But you know what? You're the last person from leaving, so you could say that if you want.
storyofjana.com. Okay, excellent.
That would make an amazing pornographic movie. Wow. The science conference, fantastic. That's the place to be, isn't it? If you want to make this kind of movies. Like, where did you make yours? At the science?
At a science conference.
Machine learning conference?
Yes, that's the place. That's the place.
Wow, you're gonna get so many customers.
You should go to the people. They have these posters. They should
Yeah.
all put their OnlyFans on the post.
They've
Idea.
got posters there, no?
Yeah.
I should check it out.
All right.
Thanks.
I'll leave these with you because I've no need for a paper, but
Perfect.
I have everything on record.
Very good.
Thank you very much for the
Enjoy the
explanation.
rest. Yeah, thanks.